Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing, back with another video here this morning. We have a small two-story house, driveway, sidewalks, and rear patio this morning. I'll walk around and show you what we got. So we got this oil stain here in the middle of the driveway. A lot of algae buildup down here, and then coming up to the front porch, sidewalk, walkway, front area. Had a couple wasp nests that we had to already get rid of this morning, so we'll walk around back and show you. Alright, so side of the house, not too bad. Just got a little bit of dirt and algae growing, and back cage area. And back along here, not too terrible. Instead of taking all this out, we'll probably do one section and then move everything back to the other. And then up this side of the house, we just got, I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, there's some green up there on the soffits. And then up along this way. Okay, well, that's our project here for this morning, so let's get busy before it gets too hot. Okay, so we're all done here. Let me walk you around and show you how it came out. All right, so sidewalk, driveway. If you remember this was all black with mold and algae. The oil stain came out really nice. You can barely see where it even was. You can see the damage that somebody made with the previous pressure washer trying to get the stain out. But there's not much to do about that. Anyway, so yeah, the house looks really nice and bright. Walkway going up to the front entrance. Take you around the back here. All right, down along the side, walls came out really good. And the back patio area. Yep, that was all filthy black. All done here, so. Okay, and then back along the back here. And down along the side. Boy, I tell you, we had some fun with those bees. They were mad. Ooh. Yeah, they're all back here trying to make their nest again. Anyway, that's why always carry wasp spray on the truck with you. Okay, well, that's a wrap for this job. We will see you at the next.